So it looks like you can see the fish jumping out of the water, those little splash marks behind the waves. And these pelicans are feasting. I'm just so disappointed this camera's not doing me justice. But it's about to be sunset in Montezuma. Get a little panoramic view. Whew. Back to our pelicans. So of course now, relaxing.